With this video, I'm going to show you how to just watch the compensation plan to Save Club, or if someone emails you about it or asks you, hey, what is it? Through, let's say, the inbox you on Facebook. Maybe they're just face to face, you're at a party and grandma goes, I want to save some money on some wooden teeth. What can I do, sonny boy? I recommend always let you or anyone, and even myself, I like to watch the compensation plan video that is produced by Save Club. It is by far the easiest way to explain it. There's 5 ways we get paid. A couple ways sounds pretty easy, but by the time you start doing the matrix and the 1% or the 5% and the 49% or the 0.5%, everybody zones out. Just use the Save Club video. Man, you're going to just thank me one day for all the headaches you're not going to have. Okay, so anyway, let me shrink up here. Now, I want you to log in to saveclub.com. Now, I'm also at the bottom of this video going to have a direct link to the Save Club video. And it's a YouTube video. Anyone can watch it. You don't have to join Save Club. But if you have already joined, put in your username and your password, then scroll right here where it says training. Now click the training tab. And if you scroll down just a couple little clicks there, you see where it says Save Club Compensation Plan right here? Hit that red little YouTube arrow. Now right below you can see, let me move my face here, see where it says share? Click the share button and see this right here. It's highlighted in blue. Just go ahead and right click it, copy, and that is a link that you can send to anybody. So if someone emails you and says, what's the comp plan? Send them that link. Anybody inboxes you on Facebook or gets a hold of you through any social media platform, send them that link. And guess what? The whole video takes care of everything. It explains in massive detail the compensation plan. Like I said, we get paid 5 ways and they're all kick butt. And it can really, really add up. But you have to be an affiliate, okay? So if you're watching me now and you've already joined, I'm going to put the link to the compensation plan right below this video. But remember, log in to saveclub.com, go to the training tab, scroll down, and you'll see that compensation plan video. Right above it, there's a little link that we misspelled compensation. Do you guys want to have a trivia? Can you maybe find it? All right, which is the right way to spell compensation plan, or is it compensation plan? Which one's right, the orange button or this little black font? Okay, I'll leave it up to you because one of them is wrong. And for some reason, our web designer never fixes it. We've all gotten a hold of customer support and said, just fix the E there. It drives me crazy. But you know what? No one's going to care probably, except for me with my ODDDD. All right. Now, have you joined this amazing opportunity yet? Well, if you have not, I want you to go to Save right here, joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and click it. You're going to go to this page right here. Now watch this YouTube video. Not only does it explain how cool this is as a membership club for $19.97 a month, you're going to save a lot of money, guys. You can also be an affiliate, and that's what I am. That's why I like to do, anywhere from 3 to 5 to 500 videos per day and just explain what Save Club is and what it can do and how much it is. So for $19.97 a month, you have full access to the website. Type in everything under the sun. And if you already shop somewhere, like Walmart, type in Walmart. If you go to Wendy's for a Frosty, type in Frosty at Wendy's. How about SiriusXM? How about auto repair? Teethies. All right, do you have little teethies? Do you need dental? Any type of health stuff? Well, guess what? Slowly but surely, we're rolling out a ton of gasoline and diesel fuel savings. So I hope we get for example, like a Chevron or some of the biggest gasoline places here in America. But you know what? This is an international thing. Remember, Save Club, it is like Groupon. It is like Priceline or Orbitz. But it's worldwide, and there's an affiliate division to this bad boy. For $60, you can start earning money. How much can you make? I don't know. I always got to put a disclaimer with my little fingers as quotes. I have no idea how much you can make. But I'll tell you what, I joined a little over a month ago. I promote this every day on YouTube. I email people. I post it on my social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, people, they just click my link. And from there, there's nothing left for me to do. I like to do these little videos because I try to help my downline. Because I had someone ask, how do I send a video about the comp plan? And I'm like, okay, the compensation plan, this is what you do. Hopefully you learn that from this video. But I think you're going to find that if you join Save Club, you don't have to do a lot of explaining like I'm doing now, especially in person. If you want to just get like a business card and promote your own link, and this is what I did. See that right on your screen? This is just a template from good old vistaprint.com. You can copy that if you want. If you like the color red and that little race car, I like this white font because it jumps off the card. Now, a big old box of these business cards with the rounded edges here, about $22 to your door. That includes shipping. So for a little over $20, I'm never going to run out of business cards, but I like to have a few in my wallet or my car or my truck or just somewhere. So I can just go, guys, I really don't want to over-explain Save Club because whatever I talk about, you're going to forget anyway. But if you want to go to joinsaveclub.org, you can fill out this information here, hit this orange button, and you're going to get a nice email with more information. And if you want to join, open that email up and join. And for the next 30 days, you'll get one email from Save Club per day. And if you want to unsubscribe, then do so. But if not, if you're going to join, keep the emails. You can use them and rewrite them, and you'll learn from them. And guess what? The company does it for the built-in cost of $60. Most autoresponders, you got to pay what, $20 a month for like GetResponse, Aweber. Those are probably the biggest ones. System, Leads Leap. You guys have heard of those, probably, if you've done any type of online business. But yeah, for $60, built-in autoresponder. Because a lot of people, they don't know what the heck to write in an email or how to configure GetResponse or Aweber. It takes days and days and days, and then you just want to quit. Don't do that. This company is based upon getting your own custom link, which you will get when you join, and just spreading the love. Tell everyone about that link, and that's it. And guess what? The link goes to this exact page right here. You actually got 3 more pages you can use as well. It's up to you. This is the one that is the best for me. And if you go into your saveclub.com, there's 4 pages. See where it says my websites? Right here where it says Powerline landing pages. That's where you send people to join as a member and an affiliate. See here, here's the page I'm using. 1, here's the 2nd page, here's the 3rd page, and here's the 4th. In my opinion, the 3rd page is the 2nd best. I've signed up well over 100 using this link right here. But this one I'm going to start doing too with the pretty girl there on the white phone there. It looks like she has the same case I have. Look, I like the color white too. Like my underwear and my teeth. I try to keep them white anyway. So, all right. Well, there's a lot of information. Please go to the training tab and watch the training. Everything I'm discussing right now, from comp plan, how to use certain pages, how to get your link, how to use the Save Club membership link to save on planet Earth, and then how to just join for $60 and earn money and just kick ass. Guys, we're only 20 days old. Today's June 20th. That's right, 20 days ago is when we said ready, set, go. This company's brand new. Thousands of people a day are joining, and we have hardly any affiliates. Most people are joining to save money. They're not thinking, well, God, why don't I just spend $60, get a website and my capture page, and do what I do? And that's invite people to a link. You can get your own link, get a business card. I invite you to joinsaveclub.org. That's my official link, and I hope you join. This is a lot of fun. I've made about $1,000 a week, so my income's been about $5,000 over the last month and a half. I've saved over $900, and I couldn't be more happy because I'm buying things anyway. I'm absolutely buying the things that I saved on anyway. So I feel like I just got a raise. I got 9 $100 bills, and I'm going to go buy probably some energy drinks and some Hot Wheels, and probably some Kiss memorabilia, because Lord knows I need another Kiss lamp and a Kiss lava. See that? Do I have my kit? Oh, there's my lava lamp, my Kiss lamp. There's my fountain on the bottom right. I think I got enough Kiss stuff to last a lifetime, but hey, you might need a Kiss magnet. All right, I think I got some right here hanging on my little, yeah, you can see them right there. Oh, God, look at all the magnets I got on my little mini fridge from Walmart. Well, guess what? Walmart's inside the Save Club. Yeah, food, check out little trinkets, maybe save on some Hot Wheels. Why not? Okay? All right. Well, thumbs up. Guys, thanks for the last 10 minutes. I have a good time doing this thing. You need me? I'm not shy. There's my email. Look on your screen. Cory@corydraper.com. Joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and do it. Come aboard. And like I said, just please send the compensation plan video to everybody. Invite them to the link to watch it. It's by far the easiest thing to do, okay? Like I said, I'll put the link directly for that bad boy video right below this page, okay? All right, guys, have a good one. Peace and love, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for your time. Talk to you later. Bye.